Ladies and gentlemen, today you can find me back on Emerson Park, one of Emerson Park's most prestigious turn-ins, Nelmes Way. This home is 4-bedroom, it's detached, and it's on 1/3 of an acre plot size approximately. There's already planning permission approved to turn this into a 6-bedroom home. It's 4 bedrooms currently, it's livable, but there's so much upscale potential. Let's take a look around and we'll finish in the garden. Unlike some development opportunities, this home is livable. It has planning permission, but if you'd like to alter the planning, you can live here whilst making those alterations. This property is not going to remain on the market for long. Opportunities like this don't come about often. This is Nelmes Way. I'm Billy Gill. We are Balgores, and I look forward to seeing you here very soon.